And the first thing I'm going to do is roll the lint off of the t-shirt so that we don't press anything into the t-shirt that we don't want there. That's the first thing you do. We'll start with the Easy Press heat guide. You can see I've got it up on my phone here. It's asking me what heat transfer material I'll be using. And I'll scroll down to Smart Iron-On, select that. And then I'm going to select my base material. And I'm using an Easy Press matte. And I'm using a polyester base. So you can see I hit apply. And it's telling me to preheat for 5 seconds at 315 degrees. And then press for 30 seconds with light pressure, and then flip and press for 15 seconds again, and then cool peel. Okay, now I'm going to do my preheat for 5 seconds. Just like the heat transfer guide said, I'm going to pull my Easy Press over here, put it down in the middle, and click that button. And just let it go about 5 seconds here. Now we're ready to place the iron-on onto the t-shirt. So when you're placing this, you want to make sure the textured side is down. That's the side that's going to be pressed into the t-shirt. So if you press it down, it kind of curls up like that. And the V-neck really makes it easy to kind of set the design there. All right. I think we're ready for the Easy Press. So I'm going to grab my Easy Press again. Simply and click the Cricut button and hold it with light pressure for 30 seconds. And do 15 seconds on the back. We'll just flip that right over. And we're going to go ahead, bring the Easy Press back, hit the button, and we're just going to count down 15 seconds here. Okay, there's our 15 seconds. Take that off. And we're going to let this cool a little bit before we peel it off. Okay, now we're going to do the cool peel and take this backing off the iron-on. So we're just kind of take it slowly off here. Make sure nothing's coming up. There you go. All right, and there's our t-shirt.